Hello and welcome to Shap. Well, just outside Shap today, but I've got some incredible views here, absolutely insane views. And what we've come to see is this absolutely brilliant 3-bedroom detached bungalow. It's got some outhousing behind me. It's got that amazing view. We've got some kennels to the side here. So let's flip this round, show you where it sits, and then we'll take you inside. Okay, so this is quite a street scene. Check that out. That takes us down to Shap Wells. This way takes us to Penrith, and this one takes us to Kennels. And this is the property that we've come to see. It's called Birkbeck Lodge. And let me just show you around outside first. So we've got a large wooden garage and shed stroke workshop area. Tons and tons of hard standing for parking, and a very pretty bungalow. We'll go further around the side. It's got quite an expansive garden as well. And then there's some kennel in here. It's a 3-kennel block. Again, lots of hard standing, really useful. And some more garden here. And that garden takes us round to the front. Right, so in we come. And coming in the back door, the first room we come to is this utility. So we've got the oil-fired boiler there. We're all plumbed for a washing machine as well. Got UPVC double glazed windows right through. Next room we've got this really good sized dining room, I suppose, but the views from here are absolutely unreal. So lovely big space, and then from there we go into the kitchen. So again, another really good sized room. Nice wooden kitchen in here. And then through to the corridor where we've got a loft access hatch above me, and then the bedrooms, living room, bathroom off here. So into the living room, nice double aspect, lovely bright room. And we've got a real fire there as well. That's not a bad view, is it? Opposite there, we've got the bathroom. So we've got a drying cupboard in there which has got a radiator in it. And we've got an electric shower over the bath. Front door, nice little vestibule there as well. And 3 bedrooms. So first bedroom, we've got some built-in storage in here. Second bedroom, it's good size. Again, what a blank canvas this is for someone. And then finally, the main bedroom, and this one has got that insane view over there. Okay, so there we are. If you'd like to come and see this 3-bedroom detached bungalow just outside Shap, then please give the Penrith office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.